Well, I have to admit, a very good afternoon. Welcoming you to Lugogo yet again. It is Somalia up against Eritrea. And this is a final before a final. The two sides roaring to go here. And very, very shortly we shall be going down to the match proper here. We'd like to thank you very much for joining us this afternoon as we bring to you this match here live. Unfortunately for Somalia, they've made a very, very quick change to their lineup. That is Bashir Hayford has gone on and dropped jersey number 3. Guled Abdirizak has been dropped and has been replaced by Yonis Farah. Now that is what exactly has happened. That's why we have a change on Yonis Farah coming in replacing Guled. Shortly we shall be having the lineup for Eritrea coached by Alem Seged Ephraim. He actually sticks to the kind of formation that has been very outstanding. Ayop is there, Ablelom is there, Robel is there. The midfield solid, the back has not changed, and the striking has not changed for Eritrea. It is the same kind of players that did make it this far. That is Alem Seged Ephraim, the coach of Eritrea. He has had his team playing very perfectly in this edition of Sekafa. To get us underway, we are definitely off. The first 45 minutes, Somalia entertaining Eritrea in the final game of the group here in Sekafa. It is Group A. Let's wait and see what comes from here anyways. Goal away. Eritrea now collecting. Good play from Abel. Collected well here. Safi Mayo. Ali Safi Mayo. Hassan. Pass was not very good, just goes away there for throwing to Eritrea. Safi Mayo. Omar Mohamed. Now to Safi Mayo. It took two players to bring down Safi Mayo. And the fans of Somalia wanted a free kick, but again Safi Mayo just runs away. So the check from Khalifa Mubarak. Yunus. Oh, collected away, and now here comes Omar inside the box line. Omar, he's goes out. He just needed to cross the ball, Omar. Just needed to cross the ball. Somalia should have been one up. Look at this from Omar. The angle was very tight, Omar. Very good running here from Omar. Just trying to squeeze the ball through. Failing. Well, this is Hassan Abdinor. One pass. Omar looking for Ali. Nice play from Ali here. They're inside the box and again. They're currently looking for something. It's Ali. Looks for room to space. Ali crosses. Shot from Hassan Ava. Hassan Abdinor blasting the ball over. But again, good run from Ali Aden. Somalia will be doing that to the chances they've so far missed, really. Looking for Robel Kindane. Collected well by the striker Ali Aden. Away by Muhammad Ali. Omar does well. Oh, he does well again, Omar, inside the D. He's still making the run. He crosses first time. What a save. What a save from the defender. Safi Mayo just failing to tap that ball home. Look at this from Mohamed. The cross was good and good defense from Yosef. Very unlucky, very unlucky. That's the third time that Somalia is coming close. Third time. Waiting some medical attention. Some of the skills here. Safi Mayo Yusuf. Super football. Look at that. Oh, dear me. Super skills today. Eritrea to keep on piling up the pressure. Long pass, headed away. Could be going out for a corner. Corner brought in very quickly. Referee actually said there was a foul somewhere there. Couple of good chances. Here they come again. Could be a foul given away to Omar Mohamed. He's been the man of the moment, really. He's been the man of the moment. No one else has actually played like him here. He has actually put his hat on the line for his country today. How's it back now? Ayob. Teklet Mike on one side. But here comes Abelom, scooping that ball through. On the side, Robel Kindane looks to fire. He's trying, looking for that opportunity. It's one pass again. Abelom here. And again, very good piece of game reading. The noche done. Abel brushed away. Now Tekle Maiko. Kindane. Filmon. Tekle Maiko. Booted away. Very big boot there from Ali Mohammed. 21 minutes. 0-0. Somalia and Eritrea. Omar, shot corner. Mohamed. Omar again. It's flicked through for another corner. For the Ocean Stars. Here comes the corner. It is delivered in well. Just for the other good save. Kiblo makes another beautiful save here. Well. Surely they will be holding their heads. It's not yet done. The chance is here. Over the bar. It's good play from Somalia. Look at this. Wonderful brought in. Head out very well there from the captain, Ahmed Saidi. And the goalkeeper, Kibro Hassan. Khalifa, not seen a lot of him now. Chance away. Abelok Bay! Patched away by the keeper. Ali Suleiman. Nicely dealt by Omar Sharif. Pass away. Ali Suleiman. Inside the D. One pass now. Eritrea on fire. Looking for more chances here. They're building up something. It's a driving shot. Good save from the keeper. The response here. Oh, how about that for goalkeeping? How about that for goalkeeping? What a save. What a save. Good shot. It was actually deflected. End of the day, goalkeeper saves the day away inside it. Long cross, pushed over the bar. I was actually gliding into the back of the net. Good run from Sharif Omar. Abel Okbe crosses that ball. It was dropping in. There, it was dropping in. That's good goalkeeping, very good goalkeeping from Awaizi. Corner brought through. It's brushed away. It's called back here. Nice turning. Very good play now. Long pass away. Here they come, Somalia. Can they keep the pressure alive? Goalkeeper comes out. And Omar Mohamed trying very hard to come for that ball there. Ball given away to Klemaiko, scooping it through, flag up. Flag goes up and that is some bit of pain for Ali Suleiman, colliding with the goalkeeper there. Well, the crush was from here, ball given away very cheaply. Was he offside by the time the ball was released? Well, looked onside to me. Kept onside really by Omar Sharif. Abelom. Now Robel Teklemaiko. Khalifa Mubarak. It's kept on play by Ali Suleiman. It's Khalifa. Khalifa scooping. Flag is down and wasted ball there by Robel Kindane. Very good start to the first. Those are the Tanzanian footballers who did qualify yesterday. This was an elbow there from Omar Sharif, from Ali Suleiman. If I didn't see that coming. Eritrea now doing everything in their power. Abelom looking for Khalifa. He can look for space to fire. Brushed away. Khalifa again. And again, good play there from Muhammad Ali. Throws his body on the line of fire. One pass. Defense cutting pass. Here comes a chance again. Goes outside. Safi Mayo now chasing. He can beat the player with speed and goes away for corner. Corner. Hassan does deliver. It's a very, very big one. Put it back. Deflected away for another corner. Well, the crowd can be very, very intimidating here. Shot corner here. Chance for the shot, but Hassan's effort just goes way over the bar there for a goal kick, but does appreciate that. Somalia making a double substitution. Mohamed Abubakar is coming out. And coming in is Liban Abdiaziz. Very good footballer, Liban. Now intercepted. They're looking for Khalifa yet again. Well, Khalifa handles the ball. Oh, the net is done. That shot from Khalifa Abubakar tearing the net, so it needs to be sorted out by the groundsman. It's actually wondering how that ball had actually gone into the back of the net. So it went from this side to inside. But the Eritrean fans very, very happy. Substitution for Eritrea. And Mubarak Khalifa gets out. Chance for Somalia yet again. They're driving through the get a corner. Xulkeena dropped in very quickly. It's a brush! Goes outside. That was so close. It again, Somalia knocking on the door of Eritrea. Oh, so close, really. Goalkeeper had actually committed himself. And the captain, Ahmed Saidi. The problem with his accreditation card. Oh, just given away very cheaply. Lack of concentration. Back to the keeper. Coming in from Dayden. And look at this. Look at this here. That's something you don't want to see, really, in a football match. Goalkeeper and defender having issues. Robel. Pass that ball through. Ablelom. Now it's Dayden. Crosses. Over. Those two still have a problem to sort out. Still have a problem to sort out. So Ways. Look at the Ways again. He's pushing Omar. Needs to calm down. Ways. Now the referee being the intermediary there between the two. Those are two teammates. Surprisingly, they're wasting their very own. It's more pressure here. Holding up. crossing through. Here comes a chance for Eritrea inside the wing. Here comes over the bar. And it was from the captain, Robel Teklemaiko. It's more of like taking a penalty, really, Robel Teklemaiko. Here comes Somalia, venturing forward. It's cleared away by Ayo. Controlled it again in the midfield. Here comes the captain, Ahmed Saidi. Actually, it's Muhammad Ali skipping that ball deep down on the wing side. Omar Mohamed, lot of space, opens up, punched away. Abelok Bey defending very well. Somalia quickly begin this. Another chance here. It's out. Some of the skills of the match so far. It's been a beautiful game here. Just 0-0 between the two sides with only 5 minutes to go. The heart of the Somali footballers are currently down. Now there will be a yellow card. Yellow card for time wasting at Abelok Bey. Receiving a yellow card for that time wasting. This had already been blown for the game to get started. Looks like Eritrea will be making another sub. Somalia also makes a sub. It's number 20, Robel, coming out. And here comes Binyam. Abdu. Onside, Ali. Just fails to keep his rhythm, Ali. He goes down, Ali. Oh, surprisingly, Ali is being substituted. Well, I think they're waving Somalia by. Farhan coming in for Ali. Long ball forward. Controlled here by Dayden. Goes outside. Very close, Dayden. The game still looked 0-0. No goal yet. Liban. Now to Kibrom. It's confirmation of the added minutes. 3. Need to send that ball long. Omar needs to send the ball long, move the ball more quickly. The referee does blow the whistle to bring the game to an end. And Somalia has been eliminated from the competition. Hard fighting Somalia. Eliminated by Eritrea. Eritrea just needed a draw to make it through. Somalia needed a win to make it through. You can see the Eritrean fans excited. Now it's confirmed Eritrea plays Tanzania. They gave everything. They gave everything to this match. For country, for the game of football, they put everything down. The Somalia fans will feel a little disappointed, not even a little, but much disappointed that they failed to put their chances in. But trust me, this Somalia squad is no longer the Somalia squad that we knew before. It is a brand new Somalia squad that is building up shortly. And for the Eritrean side, very, very happy they've made it to the semi-final. On Tuesday, we shall see them yet again here. And they gave their voices up here, even though they were outshadowed by the Somali fans. But job well done. Job well done here for the Eritrean fans. Good job. Very, very good job. It ends 0 to Somalia, 0 to Eritrea. The Somalian fans will cry their way through. What a disappointment. That's how it's been. Don't go away.
Pambano limekamilika na kama ulivyoweza kuangalia mpambano ulikuwa ni wa nguvu kweli kweli kwa timu zote mbili, lakini mwisho wa siku Eritrea wameweza kuadvance kwenda katika hatua ya nusu finali na watacheza na Kenya. Lakini niko na Mahmoud, a Somalian guy all the way from Manchester supporting his team. Mahmoud, sorry about the game, pal.
Yeah.
How do you take the result?
You know, I'm very, very proud of the boys. You know, we've come a long way. You know, we played 4 games. We only lost 1 game, you know. Kept 3 clean sheets, only conceded 2 goals. So I'm very, very proud of the boys. Very unlucky not to go through. You know, we played a good game today. We were solid at the back and we couldn't get like 1 goal, but I'm very, very, very proud of the boys. You know, we get so many fans here, so many people all around the world that are supporting us. So I'm very proud and very happy for all the Somali people that, you know, we're building on this. The Somali Federation is working on this and we're going to go forward. We're going to move forward.